Good morning, it's Sunday. We're off to Flixton car show this morning. Just dropping Mary off because she's going to meet her Chinese group, following a Peugeot of all things, doing 26 miles an hour in the 30 there. Very nice for an empty Sunday morning road, but never mind, it's gone now. So here we go. Okay, so we're nearly arriving at the place. It's Flixton Air Museum. So I've seen a lot of American cars, a couple of Mustangs on the way, and a couple of Cougars. So there's a few cars coming, and we've just pulled in so everyone could catch up in our little group, and we're just heading into there now. So yes, see you on the inside. Okay, so here we are at Flixton with planes and cars and stuff. So, let's go and have a look. There's Malcolm's car. Let's have a look at his engine. Been much better now, look. But it's not a V8. Yeah, it's nice that. So I can get in on it. It's got blue fleck in it. Nice.
Very volume. Hey, look, nice choice. Run down caddy.
La France. Is my enemy? The Camaro, my enemy. Oh, I love this El Camino. Nice. And as usual, minis. Minis. And Mazda MX-5s. Oh look, and a Mercedes convertible. And Harleys. Morning. And engine shrapnel. Good God. So the Corsair is based on the Thunderbird.
UK, yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
there you go.
as I
The
say,
UK Thunderbird.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's the UK Thunderbird.
Yeah.
You didn't then go up the A1 and across.
was thinking about that. Yeah.
There's a lot of things here of all kinds of quality and condition. There's a whole range of cars, really. Even an old Cosworth Scorpio. And this. And you have this Ford Galaxy, I believe. Yeah. Nice. This is a Jag meets Land Rover meets Range Rover meets Monster Truck meets something else. Yeah. Rat rods. Nice rat rod. Oh, is it? Oh, look at the paint on that. It's a nice colour. That's the colour I want my Mustang. And then more planes. Don't ask me anything about planes because I have no clue. It's silver, it's old, and it's broken. That's all I know. Triumph V8. With a TVR heart. And the land boat. Yeah. Is it Cadillac? Fair enough. Plymouth. For sale. And it on the plane. That Mustang. Oh, I'd like to see what's in there. Another El Camino. Love these big Yanks. You've one hell of a garage to put that in. Oh dear. Malcolm said apparently the Plymouth Cruiser has been labelled the ugliest car, and somehow this guy has managed to make it even uglier. It's hideous. Of course, not a Mustang. No, the rear louvres are a certain taste. I don't like it, but yes, it does look good on this. I do, however, like this. I quite like that. That's very different.
Look over there.
Yeah, that one over there you see was mine, mate. Chevy Impala. And another Mustang. I love this so much. I could just stand here and look at this all day.
I got tickets to Parfest, VIP.
Why is that here? A Buick that's sort of variety of colours. It's certainly can't make its mind up whether it's red or orange, or in fact grey. But the shape, love it. Really? And this, another beautiful Mustang, and a 1600 Sport Escort. Obviously you don't want to annoy this guy because he's got bollocks dangling down and a goodbye sign in the back window. I'm really not sure why this Audi A3 is here. That's just a bit completely and utterly random. In fact, it's not just a bit, it's completely and utterly random. He's got a plane on the dashboard. Does that mean he can come here and park? Just like that VW Bora over there. Bora by name, Bora by nature. Oh, nice Morris. Yeah. Another Mustang. And this Trans Am. Love this. Absolutely love this. Gorgeous thing. And a couple of tractors. Obviously there's so many here that they can't fit them all in, so they're all sort of dotted around the general car park. That's a bit tragic really, isn't it?
It is a bit. Another Mustang over there with the hood up.
Because basically you've got some nice looking cars in amongst all the rabble. Another Ford Galaxy, that's lovely. Nice wheels. Another Mustang. Chevy truck. And a Capri. My first car was a Capri when I was 17. Another Mustang there. Fox body. Have a look at that in a minute. Corvette coming in. And a Stag going out. See, this has some nice trim on this side. Unfortunately, missing.
So much extra drag and stuff.
I wonder if he knows. And another Mustang over there. Wow, very nicely looked after.
Yeah, they all muddled up, didn't they? We should have kept this in the show field.
These are still known as Inspector Morse Jags, but they're not, they're just a Mark II Jag. But everyone says, ah, the Inspector Morse Jag.
Look at the difference, though. Same year as my car.
I know, very different, isn't it? Very nice though. Morris Minor, of course. Every car show has a Morris Minor. And a wreck of a Pontiac. That could be nice. Nice Mac 1. This is nice, I must admit. Very nice. It's a Chevy Bel Air.
57 by the looks of it.
Oh, nice. I'm not up on my old... And all the rabble over here!
Oh, this is the normal car park.
The normal car park, and it's so busy, they're all parked in here as well. Any 1970s American family film, this is what they use to go on holiday in.